Right, so your pollen filter on a right hand drive, as we have here, we've got a pollen filter location which is just over here. So we wanted to be taking this cover off. There's a couple of little tabs here, a couple of these things. You can get them off.
Does this just pull off? Or?
Yeah, unscrew them. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. Right, does that trim panel come down now? Yep, just move that out of the way.
Right. Location's just right there. So, well, that's this there.
That's it, yeah. Can you see it? Well, right, okay, so just here, all we're going to do is undo those clips and pull it backwards, and there'll be one there. And you leave it over and it slots down like that. Okay, so you go. So, that's it, so you pull the clips on the inside a little bit, that's it. There
we go.
Pull down, and that's it. Pull the pollen filter out and make sure you look at the way it comes out, yeah? That's it, just pinch on it.
I'll pinch on it.
That's it, pull it out. Yeah? Now look at the way it's coming out. And
there's loads of stuff in the way.
I know, there will be. Will be a few bits in your way. It does come out. But remember, you're going to go in, you're not going to be sort of pulling out, you have to do it really slowly and gently and you go back in again.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. That's it. Right.
Yeah, we've got it.
Okay. Yeah. Which way did it come out?
Okay, like this.
Right, so when you put the new one in, you want to make sure it goes in the same way. Pollen filter.
Yep.
Right, so now you're going to be taking it, open it up. That's it, take your gloves off to this bit so you don't get pretty dirty fingerprints all over your new filter.
That's a clean. Wash them with soap.
That's it. Now, do you remember which way it went in and out?
Yes.
Which way?
This way.
And anything else? That's it. Well done. Right, so you're going to be putting that in now. So just do it really, really carefully, yeah? Because obviously you just don't want to damage it, yeah? Yep. A little bit tricky getting in because there's a lot in your way. I'm going to have a look around, see if we can move stuff out of the way. So actually, because it's quite hard to get back in. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this fuse box out of the way. And that's got two little clips here, yeah? One and there. If you just move them down a little bit, you should be able to move that fuse box out of the way.
Sorry, then. So, here.
Yeah, push it down.
So both of them at the same time?
Yeah, and then pull the actual box towards you. Yeah, okay. That's moving out the way. Right. So you don't have to sort of just move it slightly to out the way.
So like that? Yeah,
that might help you get the new filter in.
Okay.
Right, so what I want you to do is put it behind that. I know you've moved the fuse box out of the way. I want you to be behind the fuse box.
Right.
Yeah. Just leave it right underneath there. Just be careful of it. Yeah.
Third time.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can.
Is it lined up?
Yeah, it's all lined up. Just needs to be pushed in.
Yeah.
Ah, got it in. Yes.
Right, okay. You're gonna have to line it up and clip it back in.
There we go.
Yeah.
In.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Lovely. And then you put your cover back on. You'll notice at the top of this, it's got a section there, yeah? So it obviously clips into something at the top and then swings in, yeah? So you sort of slot it in. You might have to put the other hand up the top so you can line it up.
Got it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, it clipped in.
Yep.
There's your two clamps.
Cheers.
Line it up.
There we go. Oh yeah.
Yeah, at the back of the cover, you'll notice it flops down, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Let's because if you lift it over, if you are up in there, there's a little slot to slot it into.
I see, yeah.
And it's like on the section on top of on the bottom of the fuse box, a little section to slot it in.
I see what you mean. Yeah, I've got it there.
Yeah, is it in?
Yeah.
Now stop it from falling down there, okay?